Top 5 Impact Wrench 2017. Number 5. Donshai WBH 182-01L 18-volt brushless 1-2-inch pin detent impact wrench. Maximum socket retention with sloped detent provides fast, easy socket attachment. Up to 2x the motor life. Superior efficiency for longer runtime and no maintenance. Electronic motor and cell protection help prevent overheating. Overloading for extended tool life and runtime. Select between 3 speed and torque settings to maximize power. Smallest grip diameter for best-in-class ergonomics and comfort. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. DeWalt DCF 899P 120-volt max. Brushless motor for superior performance. Heavy-duty impact mechanism with max torque 700 feet-pounds. Breakaway torque 1,200 feet lbs. Three-speed selector switch for control. LED work light. Battery fuel gauge. 3-year limited warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Makita XWT04M18VLXT lithium-ion cordless high-torque impact wrench kit. Makita built motor delivers 325 feet-pounds of max torque. With 1,600 RPM and 2,200 IPM for superior fastening power. Shock-absorbent handle protects battery housing for extra durability. Rocker switch for forward/reverse operation. Rubberized soft grip handle provides increased comfort on the job. Compact and ergonomic design at only 10.5 inch long. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand W7150K 1/2 inch high torque impact 1 battery kit. Patent pending soft touch over molded grip minimizes vibration. Reduces fatigue and enhances user comfort during extended use. W7150K 1 standard anvil 1 battery kit. Includes W7150 impact tool, IQD20 charger, 20-volt Li-ion 3.0 ampere-hour batteries, 1-year free replacement of tools, chargers, 2-year free replacement of bait rise. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Milwaukee 2763-22M 18 1/2 inch impact wrench. Outpowers competitors yet runs cooler with no wearable components. Allows the operator to choose between 2 fastening modes. Wrigley Timex C 4.0 battery pack. Provides superior pack construction, electronics. Performance to deliver 2x more runtime. 1/2 inch anvil with friction ring for fast, easy socket changes. Please check the description for detail and prices.